स्टार्टिंग से बाबूजी सर ने कब्रिस्तान मस्जिद का तो इशू हमारा सॉल्व कर दिया है। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि कब्रिस्तान का इशू जल्द से जल्द वो सॉर्ट आउट करें। थैंक यू।
And every community needs basically a burial place where they can rest in peace. That's most important. Place to identify the land. And I had promised them earlier also, so it will be done.
And I promise you that I will find you a place as far as the Kabristan is concerned. As far as the employment is concerned, I had said also last time that I want to see at least one person from your community to be in each different department. So that will basically help your community to get your work done in that department. Be rest assured, you all have always supported me, and I will assure you, my full-hearted support to you will always remain.